Welcome back. Let's unbox this Jordan. Air Jordan Dark Marina Blue colorway, one of the newest iterations to be added to MJ's first signature shoe arsenal. Dark Marina Blue falls onto the smooth leather overlays, swooshes and ankle flaps, as well as the laces and tongue banners. To offset this tone, Jordan Brand tosses black paint onto the toe boxes, quarter panels, collars and nylon tongues. Branding is visible via the traditional ball and wings insignias and Nike Air tongue hits, the former of which is coated in black while the latter contrasts with white. Rounding out its design comes all white midsole pieces and outsoles that are submerged in dark Marina Blue.